if we don't practice, if we don't intensify, if we don't strengthen our spiritual gifts, masasayang. At sa maniwala kayo sa hindi, maraming mananampalataya ngayon, sinasayang yung pinagkatiwala sa kanila ng Diyos. Ang sabi ni Charles Stanley, as God's children, we are not to be observers. We are to participate actively in the Lord's work. Spectators sit and watch, but we are called to use our spiritual gifts and serve continually. When we use the word continually, ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy, walang hintuan, walang ayawan, walang iwanan. Because at the end of the day, hindi ka naman sa tao naglilingkod. Hindi ka naglilingkod sa pangalan ng iglesia. Naglilingkod ka sa Panginoon.